Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You begin by securing data and access. That's critical. Back up your photos, contacts, and app settings to Google or a PC before anything else. Once backed up, make sure the phone is charged above 50% or plugged in, and connect to a reliable Wi-Fi network. You should also confirm your lock PIN and Google account email. Android factory reset protection requires them. With credentials, charge, and backups confirmed, proceed to Settings to start the restore process. You now perform the main action, a factory reset. Go to Settings, then System, Reset Options, and choose Erase All Data Factory Reset. Read the warnings because this removes apps, accounts, and internal files. Verify your backups first. Tap Confirm and allow the process to run. The phone will erase data and reboot, sometimes multiple times. Make sure it stays connected to power and Wi-Fi if prompted. When the reset completes, you'll reach the initial setup screen. Once the device boots to setup, you'll walk through Language, Wi-Fi, and Google Sign-In. Use the same account to restore backups. Choose Restore from Backup when offered, and let apps and settings download. This can take time depending on connection. After setup, open Google Play to reinstall any missing apps and review app permissions and sync options. If the phone won't boot or get stuck, access Recovery Mode to wipe cache or enter Safe Mode. These often resolve start.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.